If you've been looking for some more tips for beautiful glowing skin, these are my 9 best tips for glowing skin. So tip number 1 is to get some natural sunlight exposure. Yes, you want to put your skin in the sun, especially that early morning sunlight. That's when there isn't any UV, but you want to have those proper wavelengths from that sun. It's very restorative to your skin, especially the near infrared light. As well as a little bit of UV later in the day, we need our vitamin D production, which of course helps with our collagen levels. Tip number 2 for glowing skin is to use natural sunscreen. If you are going to have prolonged exposure to that UV, you may want to put some natural sunscreen, which I do have a recipe on another video, so check it out, as to how to mix that up. And I usually use that natural sunscreen on my face when I know that I'm going to be outside for prolonged periods of time. Tip number 3 for glowing skin is to fix your leptin resistance. This means fixing that hormonal signaling, and this is really important that you're getting a good night's sleep. Now, our melatonin and our leptin are most densely secreted when we are sleeping in a dark room, and melatonin we know is our master antioxidant, really important for rejuvenating our skin. Tip number 4 for glowing skin is to try some fasting. So whether that is a prolonged fast or intermittent fasting, you want to get into that autophagy state, meaning that your body is cleaning up and recycling those old proteins. This is really great for your skin rejuvenation. Tip number 5 for glowing skin is to do some lymphatic drainage. I also love face yoga techniques and massages as well for the skin. Really important to do those exercises to tonify the muscles, a great way to have that glowing skin. So check out my other videos on how to do all of those face yoga exercises. Tip number 6 is to do a detox. So yes, detoxifying your body by doing a full body detox, not only detoxifying your skin, but also your internal organs, will really help with the look of your skin. And this is important to kill off those less favorable organisms in the gut. So having a healthy microbiome is part of having a healthy skin as well. And tip number 7 is to choose the foods that are best for your skin. So I love the 3 A's: almonds, avocados, and apples. These are all fantastic foods helping to feed your skin with those nutrients that it needs. Tip number 8 is to ensure that you're getting enough DHA. So this is the important omega-3 fatty acid, of course, in fish. You may want to supplement with a fish oil supplement. Again, a high quality molecular distilled one. That's something that I take every single day. And tip number 9 is that mind-body connection. So for glowing skin, you want to decrease your stress, because stress we know will age you faster than anything else. Do whatever you can to find that peace within yourself, and this will go a long way to getting that glowing skin. So there you have it. I shared my 9 tips for glowing skin. I want you to check out my other video, especially the face yoga and face lifting exercises for laugh lines, for other great tips and tricks for glowing skin. One of my goals is to teach you how to empower yourself over the healing of your own body, mind, and spirit. Be well, everyone.